process for a service call is quite simple. It is, if I right click on my customer order, I will state in again who I'm doing the job for. So this time we're doing the job for the Royal Bank. We choose the customer's address. We add the work order. So as you can see, it's very similar. Add the detail, add my task. And for the companies that won't know what the task is, it's very simple. We'll just put it under service call right here. So service call, service, I could state it right here. Put in the estimated time because I'm not quite sure. He's only going to know when he arrives. I save and close. I save and close. And now all I have to do is once that work order has been is going to appear right here at the bottom. My next step is the only thing I have to do is pretty much assign it over to the employee that I'd like, to give this service call to. Now, I have the work order that I've just created for the Royal Bank. I'm going to assign this over to Régent. Simple drag and drop, and the information has now been processed over to Régent. If you are interested in Service-Mate Mobile, the process is quite simple. Throughout the day, what's going to be happening is we're going to be setting a timer in your web menu. And what that timer is going to do is it's going to automatically refresh everything that needs to be transferred over to the mobile devices of any of your workers. So as you can see, what's going to happen is the transfer via web service is going to be constantly, as it refreshes, it's going to be transferring all the documents that need to go to Bob and all the documents that need to go to Régent. So once this will state that the transfer has been completed successfully, you will then know that Bob and Régent